Hello my friends, it's Nina and we are going back in time today. So if you have followed my channel for a while, you would notice that I do the exact same makeup routine every single day. I think for about the last year, my makeup routine hasn't changed that much. And today, I kind of just wanted to experiment a little bit and do something a little different from what I do usually. So I decided that I'm going to try to recreate my old makeup style. Specifically, we are going back to 2016, aka the most different I've ever looked from what I look like today. I'm going to recreate this picture that I'll just put right here. I took this picture November of 2016. That was almost 3 years ago. And this, I can say, was basically my everyday makeup routine. Other selfies I had in 2016 had this bolder, heavier makeup look. So as you can see, it is very different from the makeup look that I do today. I think my look is very simple, very K-beauty inspired or Korean beauty inspired. I have not done a makeup look similar to this in 2 to 3 years. I think 2017 was maybe when I started to change up my makeup style a little bit. That's when I found out about K-pop and Korean beauty standards and all that. And so my makeup routine did change quite a bit. But I am excited to go back in time a little bit and try something bold today. So let's get started. I don't know how I'm going to do this. If you are familiar with my face from the past year, you would see the difference. I'll just put two pictures side by side. This will be 2016, this will be 2019. I read a comment recently about someone talking about my makeup look today and my makeup look in 2016 or back then when you guys may have known me for the first time. By the way, I washed up and moisturized and everything like that, so we're just gonna go right in. But the comment was saying that I was accentuating my Asian features more than I did back then, and I think I can agree. My makeup look in 2016 went up to here maybe. I have a lot of space here and my face is relatively flat, and so there's just a lot of space. And so back then I would cover it up with makeup and try to make another crease. Even though I do have double eyelids, I still tried to make another crease up here somewhere. So basically I gave myself a triple eyelid. And then my eyebrows were very noticeably dark. I would give them strong arches. I was heavily influenced by Western Instagram makeup back then that I didn't really take into account how the makeup would look on my face. But I basically did everything that I can to basically hide my eyes behind makeup. Another thing that the comment noted and that I just basically noticed is that I didn't do anything to my lips. I would do this really heavy makeup look, but then with my lips I just put on lip balm and whatever. I didn't put lipstick on, which I guess, like, if I lived like that, I guess I didn't mind, but I'm just going to put on my BB cream. Even though back then I don't know if I put on that much BB cream because I don't remember doing a lot of face makeup. I did a lot of eye makeup, but I'm just going to cover up my face anyway because back then I could say that I had decent skin. Right now I have a little cyst going on. It's okay. We still love ourselves. There's definitely nothing wrong with a heavier eye makeup look. It's just the way that I used a makeup look back then. It was to hide myself behind makeup. Bolder, complex looks are definitely fun to do and allows the person to express themselves through makeup. So if you want to do a bold look, go for it. But personally for me, I couldn't go outside unless I did a look like that. I had to actually look at my older videos to figure out how I did my makeup back then because I couldn't remember. I'm going to have to make my eyeliner go up. Usually I make my eyeliner go slightly down with my eye shape. I think that'll be fun. I used to really love doing sharp eyeliner looks. I am just putting on concealer. This is the Sem Ideal Concealer Duo. Putting it wherever my face needs it. I feel like my makeup look has definitely made me look softer. And I think it just goes with my personality now. Or maybe did my personality become like this because of my makeup? Not only was my makeup different back in 2016, but I think my personality was also very different as well. My outlook on life, the way that I behaved or spoke, just like my sense of humor and all that, it was very different back then. If 2019 me hung out with 2016 me, I feel like 2016 me could fight me. Or maybe we'd get along, who knows? Also, if you did notice, I am wearing the same sweater from the 2016 picture. I am going all in. I'm wearing the same earring. Gonna take care of you. If anything shows up on your face, don't pop it. Just let it heal. It goes away on its own. Just think of it as like a guest, you know? Treat it decently. Just let it be, and then eventually it will leave. I'm not sure where I should go now. I'm going to prime my eyes next. This is going to need a lot of primer. Just everywhere. Not a lot of people know that I did a heavier makeup style back then because I feel like more people followed me around 2017. That is when my makeup look started to change a little bit. This makeup look was basically during a time when I was experimenting with myself. I Didn't do anything but just cut my hair, really. I didn't change that much, actually. In 2016, I had hair that went to here, and then now it's really long, as you can see. Personality-wise, I feel like I was just more, I don't know if cynical is the right word, but I was just a lot more sarcastic and maybe a little bit cynical, pessimistic a little bit. My humor was self-deprecating. I was just definitely a very different person. Now, whenever I want to say something self-deprecating, I'm like, that's not me anymore. I am going to show you what I will be using for my lips. Now, usually today I go for a red coral kind of lip, but for this look, we're going to go with this sort of nude pink color. This is the 3CE Velvet Lip Tint in Near and Dear. I have never tried this. I'm very excited. I don't know if I should go in with my eyebrows yet. I feel like I should. I should, right? Okay. Now I do have a brow pencil. Back then I used a brow pencil. This is also a black brow pencil. I'm going to make a strong eyebrow. If you are familiar with my eyebrows, they are usually straight and just simple. I mostly use an eyebrow powder like this one. I'm gonna have my picture as a reference. This is for 2016 Nina. I sometimes use an eyebrow pencil, but not for my entire brow. I'm making it straight. It's just, I naturally am used to a straight eyebrow, but I'm going to bring it down just a tiny bit, not too much. I'm not going to copy my exact eyebrow from 2016 because I didn't know better back then. It also has this little spoolie end. Just blend it out. I'm like having flashbacks. It still looks like my eyebrow. What am I doing wrong? What did I do back then? Oh, it was just really strong. It looks like my regular eyebrow. I'm like subconsciously just doing my regular makeup look. Okay, I'm starting to see it. I didn't really take into account my face shape with my eyebrows. I just wanted arched eyebrows back in the day. I can't believe 2016 was a whole 3 years ago. My life changed so much in 2 to 3 years. It's crazy. And the weirder thing is to think about how different my life will be in 2 years from now. I feel like every 2 years you just become a very different person. Like, how much more different can a person become? It's a weird thing to think about. Also, that's an eyebrow hair. Oh, eyebrow hairs are pretty long. Oh, I can see the difference now. It's still not as bold as I made it back in 2016. I don't know how I did that. I think I'm just going to try to make the ends really sharp. My eyebrows were as sharp as my eyeliner. They just look like natural eyebrows. This looks like the eyebrows I should be doing today. I think I am going to go for like a cut crease kind of look. I have this concealer brush for later because I'm going to put concealer on my eyelid, but I'm going to... I have to look up how to do a cut crease. But I'm assuming you put eyeshadow, then concealer, then whatever else. Wow, these look really good. I got it. Okay, so what I was attempting to do back in the day was a cut crease look, but I didn't use concealer. I was just basically trying to make a shape. Wow, 2016 me really did the most. I'm going to use my Just Peachy Matte palette from Too Faced. I think I'll start with Peach Tart. It's this light brown color here, and then I'll go darker near my crease. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I already primed my eyes. We're going to go for it. We're going to make the crease first. We're just going to cover our eye basically with brown. I am in no means a makeup artist. I haven't done a makeup look like this in a very long time. If you get anything on your eyelid, that's okay. We're going to cover it with concealer anyway. Okay, we're going to kind of just pack it on, really get it up there. We're going to, yes, it's starting to happen. You can see the difference. I mean, I can. I think this is a good color. We're going to kind of bring it down a little bit. Don't worry guys, we'll blend this. I should be tapping, I don't want fallout. We're just making a false crease like I used to do back then. I am also going to make that little heart on my face that I see in the picture. That wasn't part of my everyday makeup routine, but just for the picture I just wanted to put it there for fun. I'll do the same thing. I'm going to use my blending brush a little bit and blend it up. Back then I also didn't use powders or blushes or whatever, but I did use a bronzer because I wanted some shape on my face. I don't have bronzer anymore because that's not part of my makeup routine. But I think I'll use some kind of blush to make some kind of color or contour. And then I'm also going to put it on the bottom. I see that my bottom eyelid's pretty dark as well. Yes. Oh no. It gets better with time, you guys. We're going to use chocolate dipped and we're going to make a darker crease like over here. Yes. I don't know how this is going. It's starting to look similar to back then. Oh, I have to go in with my bottom lid as well. Oh, I feel like how old was I in 2016? I feel like I'm 19 again. Is that the math? That's not, how old was I? I was 19, right? I was like 18 turning 19. Okay, and then we're going to blend it out. So now that we've done this part, I think I should go with the Crease. So I have concealer. This is the other end of my concealer. And then I have my concealer brush, and then we're just going to do it. I could technically just put it on like this, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'll just put it on my wrist for now, and then I'll slowly add it onto my eye. I think I will bring you guys in closer for this. Wow! Just like the videos. I feel like I'm painting my eye. Your face is a canvas. I mean, it kind of did something, right? I can't do it fast and swiftly like they did in the video. I got it on my eyelashes, guys. Oh no! Oh my god, how do I even fix that? Oh, please don't tell me I'm wearing falsies. Oh good. I did a heavy look, but I didn't put falsies on. So you can see the cut now. I think it's pretty cool. So now that we've done our cut, I'm gonna let it just dry a little bit. And then I also do have this eyeliner that I got at KCON. They were handing out free samples. I think I should tightline my eye right now because I don't know what else to do. Actually, no, I have to put on the eyeshadow first, okay. With my Naked 2 palette, I'm gonna put on this silver color. It's called Verve, and I'm just going to put it over here. Actually, I am going to put on a base eyeshadow first, so I'm going to put on this color from the Naked 3 palette. This is called Strange. So it just makes the concealer brighter, I think. That's nice. Okay, cool. I'll put it up here too. That's fancy. Maybe I should just put it on with my finger. That's what I usually do for metallic colors. Oh, I love it. I'll bring you guys in a little bit. Oh, yes. I think I'm going to put on the black before the eyeshadow, so let's go through this. With our eyeshadow brush, I'm going in with Naked 2 Palette's black right here, and I'm going to just go for it. Make sure you tap it. This is going to be serious fallout. Oh, I love it. This is just an exciting time for me, okay? I'm speechless right now. I'm back in time. I feel like I haven't changed at all. Oh wait, shoot, sorry, I forgot to tap. Wow, my eye shape looks so different. Okay, so I think this is good for now. I'm going to line my eyes with a pencil first before I go in with my liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna start with my top first. There we go with the pencil liner. Now here we go with liquid eyeliner. I can do this. I've done this for years back then. So this is a very thick eyeliner and it's going to go up towards my eyebrows. I'm gonna bring you guys in. Let's do this. We're doing good so far. Yeah, sort of. Oh, I'm gonna do this eye. Yes, I think that is the closest I can get to the picture. Usually my eyeliner today goes slightly downwards to go with my eye shape, but we're going up. I'm going to just add a little black now that we have our eyeliner done. I'm gonna just put some more eyeshadow. I want to put on mascara before I forget. This is just the mascara that I use every day. And I think the makeup for the eyes is done. Now I'm going to just take care of the rest of my face. My face has gone shiny around here. I want to kind of mattify it, going in with a powder. And I'm going to just pat it on. You can already see the difference happening. I think a matte face goes well with this look. I still have to do that heart. I'm gonna do the heart right now. Let's make that heart. Oh. And then I have this blush. I think a darker blush will look good with this look. This is the rose beige color from 3CE. With my blush brush, I'm going to put it on my cheeks. Oh, I should have put on my blush before the heart. Hopefully it doesn't smudge. I like this blush. This is a nice blush. I'm just like trying to avoid hitting that heart. I think this blush is appropriate for this look just because in 2016 I didn't put on too much BB cream, so my cheeks would still show, and my cheeks were very rosy back then, and so kind of just like an homage to my blushing back then. A little bit on my nose. And there we have our blush. Finally, we're going to put on the lip color. Just gonna take off extra lip balm off my lip. I'm not actually sure what this color looks like, but hopefully it kind of matches my makeup look from the picture. Ooh, I like this. Well, this is just like the picture. I might put a little bit more on. I haven't put on a nude lipstick in a while. Oh my god. And this is the completed makeup look. Oh my god. Honestly, it's not as crazy as I thought it was going to be. Just looking at the picture, I thought it would be really different, but honestly, it's just a bolder look. But here's the picture and here's me. Let me just bring in my flowers. This is so crazy. This is very dusty. Here are my flowers just like the picture. Let me see, do we look alike? So that is it for this makeup transformation, evolution, turning back in time video. But I think it was just nice to take something old and turn into something a little new. My makeup today, my makeup back then, it's still me, it's still the same face. Will I do this look more often? Maybe for fun, but I'm still probably going to stick to my everyday makeup routine currently. Whatever makeup look you go for, as long as you like it, I think that's all that matters. Be proud of your face, have fun with makeup. Even if back then I used this makeup to hide my insecurities and accentuate my face in different ways. Looking at me now, I am much more comfortable with my eye shape, with my face shape. Back then, I actually used to be shy about putting lip color on my lips, and now lip tint is a very regular routine of mine, and it's just strange to see how different you can be in a few years. I feel like now I'm definitely much more comfortable with my face, that I can put lip color on my lips, I can bring down my eye makeup and actually show my eyes, but then I can also put on a bold look and put on a nude lip. I've definitely come a long way from who I used to be back in 2016. I think makeup should just be a fun thing that you can do whatever you want with. No makeup look is really better than the other. They're just all different. You should just have fun with it. But that is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bring it in, and goodbye, my friends.